meeting for the first time.
Hi. You look familiar. Have we met before?
Oh, maybe. I'm Fatima. I just moved here a few weeks ago.
Nice to meet you, Fatima. I'm Maryam. Where did you move from?
From Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. How about you? Are you from here?
No, actually I'm from Cairo, Egypt. But I've been living here for about 2 years now.
Wow, that's a big change. Do you like it here so far?
Yeah, it's been great. The people are really friendly, but I still miss the food back home.
Same. I keep looking for good Arabic restaurants here. Have you found any?
Actually, yes. There's a place downtown called Levant Bistro. Their hummus is amazing.
Really? I'll have to try it.
Getting to know each other.
So, what brought you here? Work, studies, or just adventure?
A bit of everything. I'm studying computer science at the university.
That's cool. I work as a graphic designer for a marketing company.
Do you mostly work remotely or in an office?
Hybrid, 3 days in the office, 2 from home. It's a good balance.
Nice. I hope I can find a flexible job like that after graduation.
Casual chat about hobbies.
So, when you're not studying, what do you like to do?
I love hiking. There are so many great trails here. And you?
Oh, I'm more of a homebody, watching movies, baking, sometimes painting.
What kind of movies do you like?
Mostly comedies or thrillers. I can't handle horror films though.
Same. My friends always tease me because I close my eyes during scary scenes.
Exchanging contacts and wrapping up.
Hey, we should hang out sometime. Maybe try that restaurant together?
I'd love that. Here, let me give you my number.
Perfect. I'll text you so you have mine too.
Great. Oh, and if you ever want to try hiking, let me know.
Deal. Maybe you can turn me into an outdoorsy person.
I'll do my best.
It was so nice meeting you, Fatima.
You too, Maryam. Talk soon.
Hey friends! Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon so you don't miss our next adventure. Thank you for watching. See you soon, bye bye.